What's the meaning of Charles II? Charles II. Charles II.
Charles II. Charles II. Charles II was a king of England, Scotland and Ireland who ruled from 1660 to 1685. He is often referred to as the Merry Monarch due to the restoration of the English monarchy after it was abolished by Oliver Cromwell's Puritan Commonwealth. During his reign, Charles II encouraged art and science, oversaw the rebuilding of London after the Great Fire, and took measures to promote religious tolerance. However, his reign also saw political conflicts, such as the exclusion crisis over his Catholic brother James's right to succeed him, and the devastation caused by the Great Plague and subsequent Great Fire of London.